Raju bought a fridge for rupees 10,560 including value added tax for of 10%. Find the price of the fridge before value added tax was added. Let the cost of the fridge before value added tax be rupees X, and according to question 10,560 rupees including value added tax of 10%. According to question X plus 10% of X is equal to 10560. 0 is cancelled and 10 multiplied by X equal to 10x plus X divided by 10 is equal to 10560. Then 10x plus 1x is equal to 11x and divided by 10 is equal to 10560. So x is equal to 10560, 10 multiplied by numerator and divided by 11. So x is equal to 10560 upon 11. 10560 divided by 11. 11 nines are 99 and 6 0 0. 6 11 6 are 66 and double 0. So we get x is equal to 9600 rupees. Answer. Let the cost of fridge before value added tax be rupees X. According to question, Raju bought a fridge for rupees 10,560 including value added tax of 10%. So according to question, X plus added 10%, X plus 10% of X equal to 10560 means 10,560 rupees. 0 is cancelled and 10 multiplied by x is 10x plus 1x that is equal to 11x upon 10 equal to 10,560. We find the value of x. 10 multiplied by 10,560. So we get 10,000. We get 1,05,600 divided by 11. 1,05,600 divided by 11. 11 nines are 99 and 15 minus 9 is 6 and 6 as it is 66. So 11 6 are 66, that is 0, double 0 is here. So we get 9600 rupees. X is equal to rupees 9600. Answer. Question number 7. By selling a toy for rupees 25, a man gains 25%. Find the cost price of the toy. Selling price is equal to rupees 25 and gain percent, that is 25%. Cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into selling price. Cost price is equal to 100 into 25 upon 100 plus 25, that is 125. 125. 25 ones are 25, 25 fives are 125. 5 ones are 5, 520 are 100. So cost price is equal to rupees 20. Answers. Selling price equal to rupees 25 and gain percent equal to 25%. So cost price, as we know that cost price equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain percent multiplied by selling price. Selling price is 25 rupees and 100 upon 100 plus gain percent is 25. That is 100 plus 25 is 125. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fives are 125. 5 ones are 5 and 25s are 100. So we get cost price equal to rupees 20. Answers. Question number 8. I purchased a hair dryer of rupees 5,400 including 8% value added tax. Find the price before value added tax was added. Let the price of a hair dryer before value added tax be rupees X, and according to question X plus 8%. 8% of X equal to 5,400 rupees. 100x plus 8x upon 100 is equal to 5400. 100 plus 8 is 100. 8x divided by 100 is equal to 5400. And x is equal to 540000 multiplied by 100, that is 4 zeros, and divided by 108. 54 ones are 54 and 54 twos are 108. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10, 5,000. So x is equal to rupees 5,000. Answer. Let the price of hair dryers before value added tax be rupees X. And according to question, including 8%, X plus 8% of X is equal to 5,400 rupees. 100 multiplied by X equal to 100x plus 8x, that is 108x divided by 100 equal to 5400. And 108x is equal to 54. 100 multiplied by 100, that is 54 4 zeros, and divided by 108. 54 twos are 108 and 54 ones are 54, 4 zeros. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, and we get 5,000. So x is equal to rupees 5,000 answer. Question number 9. A man got a 10% increase in his salary. If new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find the original salary. Let the original salary be rupees X, and according to question, X plus 10% of X is equal to 1,54,000. 10x plus x upon 10 is equal to 1,54,000. 11x upon 10 equal to 154,000, and x is equal to 154,000. 10 multiplied by right side, 40 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11 and 11 fours are 44. 1, 2, 3, 4. So x is equal to 1,40,000 rupees. Answer. Let the original salary be rupees X, and according to question, 10% increase in his salary. X plus 10% of X equal to 1,54,000. 0 is cancelled. 10 multiplied by X is 10x plus 1x, that is 11x upon 10 is equal to 1,54,000. And 10 multiplied by right side, then 154,000 and 10 divided by 11, that is 1,40,000. So x is equal to original salary be 1,40,000 rupees. Answer. Question number 10. The cost of a table is rupees 950. The sales charge on it is 3%. Find the bill amount. Cost price is equal to 950 rupees. Sale charge equal to 3%. That is 3% of 950. Cancel. 95 multiplied by 3 equal to 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 is equal to 28. So 285 divided by 10 rupees, that is 28.5 rupees. Sales charge. And so bill amount equal to 950 plus 28.5, that is equal to 950 28.5 5 8 7 9 rupees 978.50 rupees. Bill amount. Answers. Given cost price is rupees 950 and sales charge is 3%. So 3% of cost price 950, that is equal to 0 is cancel and 95 multiplied by 3 is 285 divided by 10, that is 28.50 rupees, and total bill amount equal to cost price plus 28.5. We get 978.50 rupees answer. Thank you.